Hey everyone, thank you for coming to my video blog. My name is Clifton Saunders. I'm the Senior Loan Officer and Branch Manager here with the Clifton Saunders Mortgage Team. Today, we're going to be talking about how to improve your credit before applying for a mortgage loan. I'll talk to you soon. Today we're going to talk about how to improve your credit. So I've got 4 tips to help you improve your credit before applying for your mortgage. You definitely want to make sure you're ready so when you go see your lender, you can definitely get qualified. So here we go. Number 1, it seems easy, but I've seen it before. You must remain on time on all your accounts. Typically, you don't want to have any lates in the last 12 months on any accounts. Going late on your credit report, generally within the last 12 months, can sometimes drop your credit score 50 to 100 points. You may still be high enough to qualify, but keep in mind, the lower your credit score is, it could affect your rates and your terms that you don't want to sacrifice. So make sure you stay on time on all your credit accounts. Number 2, limit the amount of inquiries and new accounts that you're going to receive before you buy your house. A lot of times people just apply for random credit cards and things like that. Be conscious of it. Don't apply for it unless you really need it, because there's 2 things that applying for a credit can sometimes drop your score. Not only applying for the credit, but getting a brand new account can drop your average age of accounts on your credit, and that could lower your score. So unless you really need that account, don't apply for it, because later on it's easier to get credit when you're a homeowner than to apply for credit, and then it affects you from being able to buy your home. So limit your inquiries and your new accounts. Number 3, I get this one a lot, and it's not really that out there. You don't hear very much about it, is settling debts on your credit report. Now, sometimes we don't always recommend settling a debt and paying it off because they'll update your credit report as just paid, which at the very beginning sometimes drops your score, and in the long term it'll come up. But what I've seen a lot of customers be very successful on is if you have any medical collection in your credit, most medical collections will accept a payment and they will delete it from your credit report. All you have to do is ask. And sometimes getting a medical collection deleted will jump your score up 20 to 50 points. I've seen it many a times. Now, even though as a lender, for the most part, we don't care about medical collections, but it still does affect your score. So it's an easy way to boost your score in order to get you a better deal and better terms on your loan. All right, number 4, last but not least, this is one of the things that you can actually do pretty quickly to boost your score, and that's paying down revolving debt. Now, you hear a lot of hoopla out there about people saying paying down debt, but paying down like installment debts or other things do not necessarily raise your credit scores. But generally paying down credit cards, revolving credit lines, that usually will bump up your score. And there's a big misconception to pay them off. What you want to do is the optimal range is to pay all your revolving credit cards down to 2 to 9% of its limit. An example of that is if you have a $1,000 limit on your credit card, pay it below $90. That's that 9% limit. Once it's at $90, not zero, generally that's when you're going to see the highest of your score. And remember, paying them down typically takes about 35 to 60 days before it's reflected on your credit report. So you want to pay them down a little early before you're going to apply. That way it reflects on your credit in the future. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video blog today. I hope that was some great information for you. And definitely, if you know anybody you think this video can help, make sure you forward, share, and subscribe to my video blog. And definitely let me know if you have any friends or family members who's looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. As always, you can reach me and my team at 281-930-7775 or reply to this email. Thanks a lot and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.